So how do you transfer the video that you just took with your DJI Spark right over to your iPhone so you can edit the videos? My name is Ricky Burrows. Like and subscribe to Drone Maverick, and let's get right into this. Okay, this video is going to be primarily for Windows 10. Just taking the video out of your DJI Spark, what you want to do is get a micro USB cable and plug it directly into your computer and simply plug your little bad boy in. Turn on your DJI Spark. Okay, now that you have the Spark on, you can hear Windows like detecting that it's been plugged in. Open up a Windows Explorer. Let's get into that. Now mine is just really simple. It came up as USB drive F. You want to go into the DCIM. And the cool thing is that they separate the video from pictures. Next thing you want to do is maximize it so you can see the videos. Again, this is all pictures right here. Okay, so now that all of your videos are loaded, you can simply scroll through them and pick the ones that you really want. So let's just go in here and just grab one. Let's cut it. And you can put it to your desktop, designate a folder. I like putting it in as an actual folder. So let's go into that. This is the simplest way to get your videos from the DJI Spark and to put it onto your iPhone so you can edit the video through iMovie. Okay, now that the video is loaded, what you want to do is open up iTunes. Now, it's kind of funny how you can have iTunes on a Windows PC, but you can do it. You just simply have to look up, Google iTunes for Windows 10 or whatever version of Windows that you're using, and iTunes will give you a link to download. So once you install iTunes onto your computer, what you want to do is shut off your Spark, and I recommend that you shut it off rather than like pulling the plug. So you go ahead, turn off Spark. He's happy. Then what you want to do is you want to connect your iPhone to your computer. It's going to say, hey, I can see that you have an iPhone. And you want to simply click the button that says allow or trust this computer, and then you can transfer files from the computer to your iPhone and vice versa. Go ahead and click on this little iPhone button thing. It was right over there. You want to go over to file sharing. Now I have iMovie downloaded to my iPhone. So what you want to do then is you add the file. So I go over here and I pick a file and I go to add it. Alright, so it takes a while because these videos are just so massive. The DJI Spark actually creates incredibly high quality videos, and 1080p is going to look really, really nice. And according to Daryl Eves, who was a phenomenal genius, and I had the utmost pleasure of meeting this amazing man, who is this guy right here. He's got over 500,000 subscribers onto his YouTube channel, and he actually has over 30 billion views. I was able to spend at least 45 minutes to an hour with this man, and I was asking him so many questions. I was rattling his brain, and he was so amazing, so humble. All right, so anyway, so what he was saying is that when you take videos, you want to put them in the absolute maximum quality, because what people are doing now is they're actually watching YouTube videos on their TV screens. So the videos that have the highest quality, the 1080p, 4K, it will help you in the search engine. Google and YouTube are actually looking for really high quality videos, and your DJI Spark is just naturally good at it. Now you can see right here the video that I have is 1.3, almost 1.4 gig. That's a pretty big file for a short clip. What you want to do is simply click on the video, sync it to your iPhone. You have to pick which app you're going to be using. I mean, you can use any other app as long as you have access to a video. I personally love iMovie, and it is just absolutely phenomenal. So when you're syncing videos, click it and then you hit sync, and once it's done, then you can just click done. Okay, so now that you've got your iPhone synced to your computer, let's go ahead and open up iMovie. From here, you'll notice a little icon at the bottom left-hand corner, and it looks similar to a download button, so let's go ahead and click that. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see iTunes. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then you want to hit Import File, and then Create New Movie. iMovie will then drop the file directly into iMovie, and you can start editing your video right here. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to you. That's how you get your videos off of your DJI Spark onto the iPhone so you can edit them on iMovie. Just follow these steps, watch this video a couple times, and then you'll be able to get it on there and then start editing the video. For more tips, tricks on how to do drone videos and how to edit them and just to have a lot of fun with them, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I love reading your comments. I love engaging with this audience. I look forward to creating content for people like you. So go ahead, drop the comments, and let me know exactly what you want to see. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.